Hi DIYers, I'm Marina from the DIY team, and today we're going to be drawing an animal that has really big antlers. Any guesses? This animal is also magical and pulls along Santa's sleigh. That's right, it's a reindeer. Let's draw one together. Okay. To start our reindeer, we're going to draw a triangle shape just like that in the middle of our page. I'm then going to draw two small little lines to create a W for our reindeer's mouth. Let's complete this by drawing a circle around the area we just drew. Then we're going to draw two circles, one on the right and one on the left for its eyes. Then we're going to draw its head. Draw a big round egg shape like that. Perfect. Now if we go to the right of our head, we're going to draw a teardrop shape like this, and then a line, a wavy line in the middle of it. Same for the other side. Draw a teardrop shape and then draw a wavy line in the middle of it. Now we've got our reindeer's ears. Let's do the antlers. So we're going to go above the ears and we're going to create some coral-like wiggly lines. And then do the same on the other side. So draw up and just create small little dent shapes. There we go, and bring that back down to the head. Now let's go back to our face, the bottom of our face, and where our two lines are here, we're going to draw a line down, slightly curved, with a circle on the bottom. Same for the other side, a line down with a small circle on the bottom. We're going to join that up with another line either side. Now we're going to draw our back legs, so we're going to go out, round and down with a circle and a flat base. Same with the other side, out, round and down and a circle with a flat base on the bottom. And we'll draw two little indents and join those two together like that. We're then going to draw another teardrop shape just here in between the leg and the shoulder. There you go. We've got our reindeer. Let's colour it in. And there we go, you've got your reindeer. How big did you draw your reindeer's antlers? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more drawing videos. You can also head to DIY.org to access fun creative tools, watch courses on loads of different subjects, and share your creations with a like-minded community of kids. Thanks for watching, see you next time.